The United States military is the most formidable in the world, and all four branches are regularly doing research and development into the next generation of military weaponry. Weapons of war have become exponentially more technologically advanced to see just how far we've come since the days of biplanes and rifles. With any good fortune, the most powerful of these weapons will never have to be deployed during an actual conflict. But it can give us a sense of security to know that our armed forces have them at their disposal. ADS is technically meant to be a non-lethal weapon, but as with most weapons of this time, it can absolutely be quite deadly if not used properly. ADS doesn't vibrate. It's a directed energy weapon, which might sound like something out of science fiction, but the vehicle is to be operated with an aircraft, and the Navy is also experimenting with mounting the units to gun system is a lightweight, extremely portable surface-to-air missile deployment system. Typically an inspiration of the Carl Gustav, a lightweight anti-air system which was first developed by its namesake inventor in 1946. While it looks like nothing so much as a rocket launcher, it's actually technically a deployless rifle accompanied by just a missile, but in addition to soldiers. Tanks have been a part of warfare for over 100 years, and for as long as they have been deployed, opposing forces have grappled with ways more than just hauling cargo. The Lockheed AC-130, also known by the names of its variants Spectre, Spooky, Stinger II, and Ghost Rider, isn't going to be flying any solo missions. Ammunition capacity. These gunships have been providing close air support for U.S. operations. The most succinct way to describe the Mk-19, picture a machine gun in full operation. Now, imagine it's firing grenades with a flash suppressor, not for concealing the unit's position during nighttime operation, but for protecting the eyesight of its operator. It's an extremely versatile weapon, hovering enemies scarier. An armed robotic soldier. The MARS, or Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System, isn't fully autonomous around the globe. The presence of these craft serves as a strong nuclear deterrent, as they are able to deploy a fighting force of nuclear-equipped bombers to locations around the world at a moment's notice. But they're not the most important part of that equation. When it comes to striking fear into the hearts of America's enemies, even the mighty Nimitz class is outclassed by a weapon that is also used in